Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys Oppo mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to use and how to set Oppo mobile gesture navigation setting. Friends, you want to use Oppo mobile gesture setting, you want to set up. So friends, now let's see how to use Oppo mobile gesture setting and navigation setting one by one, step by step. Friends, we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your device phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Oppo mobile. Friends, in your Oppo mobile, scroll down here. After turn on phone setting friends, scroll down here. Open your phone tool setting. After on phone tool setting friends, click here navigation setting, and you want to use your gesture setting. So friends, click here swipe gesture from both side and you can use it. So how to use back button friends, left side you can use back button, right side you can use back button. Then swipe here, you can return your home screen page. Recent app friends, you want to check, pause here, you can check your recent app, you can close your recent app. Again open your phone setting, open your phone tool setting, click here navigation setting friends, click here gesture tutorial setting. So friends, you don't know how to use gesture setting friends, you can see how to back. Left side use back button, well done. Right side use back button, you can use it. Friends, you can see swipe up to home button, back to home screen. Swipe and hold friends, you can check your recent app. So like that friends, you can set gesture setting and you can use Oppo mobile gesture setting friends. Right side swipe back button, left side swipe back button, swipe here, home screen page, hold here, you can check recent app, you can close your recent app. So like that friends, we can use gesture setting in Oppo mobile. And friends, you don't want to use, so friends, scroll down here and open your phone tool setting. After on phone tool setting friends, click here navigation setting. Friends, click here button navigation setting and you can use your 3 button navigation again in your Oppo mobile. So friends, you can see right side you cannot swipe, left side you cannot use back button. Friends, you have 3 button navigation, you can use your Oppo mobile 3 button navigation, back button, home button and menu button. You can check recent app, you can close. So like that friends, you can use your gesture settings in Oppo mobile. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Do you have any doubt, you have any problem in Oppo mobile gesture setting and button navigation setting? So friends, you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye bye friends.